If not subscribed our channel Triple A Encyclopedia, subscribe and click bell icon and also click all for getting all notifications. Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about lumped network and the distributed network. And so normally this lumped and distributed networks are used in that electronic circuit and also the electrical circuit. So let us see what is lumped network. So normally a network is nothing but it's a circuit in which resistors, inductors and capacitors can be separated physically, right? So normally all the electronic circuits like filter circuit, tuned circuit or some other power supply unit are having the resistor, inductor and capacitor. So from the circuit resistors, inductors and capacitor can be easily separated. So these are all called lumped network. That is, the network is having lumped elements. That is R, L, C. These are all can be physically separated from the circuit. So that's why this is called as the lumped network. The lumped element means the resistor, inductor and capacitors are called as a lumped parameter or lumped elements. So the circuit is having lumped element or parameter is called as lumped network. So all the electronic circuits are normally operated under low frequency, and this is called as the lumped that is lumped network. And the lumped network is having minimum number of resistance, inductance and capacitance. And the best example for lumped network is nothing but the real-time example is the orange fruit is the example for lumped circuit. Best example for the lumped network is the orange fruit. So here see this orange fruit, it is having number of segments, and we can easily separate each and every segments from the fruit. So like lumped network, the elements R, L and C can be separated physically, right? The segments are separated from the orange fruit. So this is a real-time example for the lumped network, and each segments are like lumped parameters. Next we will see what is distributed network. A network in which resistors, inductor and capacitors cannot be separated physically. So these are all called as the distributed network. That is, the network is having and the elements R, L, C in the distributed form. It cannot be separated from the circuit. So that the network is called as the distributed network. So normally the example for the distributed network is the transmission line. So normally if we take the medium and the long transmission line, the elements like R, L, C, these are all in the distributed form. We cannot separate it from the circuit. So that's why it is called as the distributed network. And in that distributed network, it is having very large number of elements in the distributed form, and it is normally high frequency and medium frequency network. So the best example for the real time or example for this distributed network is the banana fruit, and all the fruits, there is the vitamins in the all the fruits are a best example for this distributed network. One is the example for a distributed parameter. So all the fruits may be considered as a distributed network. Here I am taking the banana fruit. So normally each and every fruits are having different vitamins. So here the banana is normally having the vitamins of B6, B12 and vitamin C. So throughout the length of this fruit, all the vitamins are in the distributed form. So if we are going to cut these banana into slices, each and every slice is having some amount of B6, B12 and vitamin C. Okay, all the vitamins are in the distributed form. So we can't separate these vitamins from the banana. So this is the best example for distributed network. Okay, so the elements R, L, C cannot be separated, like the vitamins cannot be separated from the fruit. So the lumped network means the network is having the elements that can be physically separated, and the distributed network means the elements cannot be separated from the circuit. So that these are all called as the distributed network.